Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to add meta tag on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So we can add meta tag for our product, and we can add meta tag for our store pages, and we can add meta tag for our whole store. So first of all, let's see how to add meta tag for product. So click on products and open any product, scroll down, and here you'll find this option, search engine listing preview. Click on edit website SEO, and here you have to enter your page title, and now enter your meta description here, or you can change or edit the URL handle, and then click on save. And this is how we can add meta tag to our product. And now let's see how to add meta tag to a page. So go to online store, select pages, and open that page you want to add meta tag. Scroll down and you'll find this search engine listing preview. Click on edit website SEO and enter here your page title and meta description here, and then click on save. And now let's see how to add meta tag for our whole website or store. So click on online store and select preferences, and here you'll find this option, title and meta description. So enter here your homepage title and enter here your homepage meta description, and this was the way we can add meta tag on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.